Most of you have heard this phrase laser spine surgery. It sounds very high-tech, very musical to the ears, futuristic, maybe even like a better version of traditional spine surgery. But what does it actually mean? Is it a medical breakthrough? Is it a wonder, or is it just a buzzword? Let's break it down and look at what the research actually says. I'm Dr. Arvind Kulkarni. I'm a consultant spine surgeon specializing in minimally invasive and endoscopic spine surgery. In today's video, I'll walk you through what laser spine surgery really involves, how it compares to modern MIS and endoscopic techniques, where it is genuinely useful and where it's mostly marketing, and how to make the right decision based on your diagnosis, not a trend. What is laser spine surgery? Laser spine surgery isn't a surgical technique. It's not a specific procedure. It simply means a laser tool is used at some point during surgery, usually to cut or shrink soft tissue, just like a bulging disc. But here's what most people don't realize. The laser itself doesn't decompress the nerves. It doesn't fix spinal instability, and it doesn't replace proper technique, imaging, or diagnosis. It's a tool, not a treatment. Let's look at the evidence. Many studies comparing laser-assisted surgery with traditional microdiscectomy or endoscopic techniques show no significant improvement in outcomes, no fast recovery time, and sometimes higher complication rates due to improper use or poor patient selection. Laser tools don't offer magical results, and the success of any spine surgery depends more on the surgeon's skill, diagnosis, and surgical planning, not the light beam. That said, lasers do have a legitimate use. In endoscopic spine surgery, lasers may be used to vaporize small disc fragments. In tight, scarred areas, they can help create space without large incisions, and they may assist in releasing soft tissues with minimal bleeding. But even in these cases, lasers are just one small part of a bigger system. Instead of asking, is it laser surgery? Please ask, is this the right procedure for my diagnosis? What approach will give me a better long-term outcome with the least trauma? Is my surgeon experienced in MISs or endoscopic techniques, regardless of whether laser is used or not? Modern MISs and endoscopic surgeries already offer small incisions, muscle preservation, precise targeting, faster recovery. You don't need a laser to achieve that. You need a surgeon who understands the anatomy and the problem clearly. So is laser surgery hype or hope? It's just a tool. It has some value in very specific, very selected cases, but it is not a shortcut, a miracle, or a wonder, or a guaranteed better result. As with anything in medicine, the right diagnosis plus the right hands plus the right technique matter more than any fancy name. Please like this video if it helped clear the confusion. Please share it with someone considering spine surgery, and subscribe for honest, expert-led answers in a world full of medical marketing. I'm Dr. Arvind Kulkarni, and I hope to see you in the next one.